Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Today I want to share my personal journey towards clear skin. It began a few years ago when I was grappling with stubborn acne and dull skin. I tried everything from high-end products to trendy skincare routines, but nothing seemed to work. That's when I turned to the power of nature and began exploring home remedies. This journey transformed my understanding of skincare, teaching me that the secret to clear skin often lies in our kitchen. And that's how my quest for the perfect home remedies for clear skin began. Now, I'm going to share some of the most effective DIY home remedies that I discovered along my journey. Let's dive right in with a classic, the honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibiotic and works to pull out dirt from your open pores. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has antimicrobial properties. When these two are combined, they fight off acne together. To prepare, simply mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until they form a paste. Apply the mask on your face or just on the acne spots and let it sit for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Next up is the green tea rinse. Green tea is high in antioxidants, and studies have shown that it helps reduce inflammation and oil production. For this remedy, brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then use a cotton ball to apply it to your skin, or simply pour it over your face. Finally, let's talk about the aloe vera and turmeric mask. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties and can soothe inflamed skin and treat burns, while turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that can brighten your skin. Mix a tablespoon of aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric, apply it to the skin, and leave it on for 20 minutes. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these remedies. Regular use will give you the best results. Before we wrap up, it's time to debunk some common myths about skincare. First up, the belief that you don't need sunscreen on a cloudy day. In reality, harmful UV rays can penetrate through clouds and damage your skin. Another myth is that popping pimples can help them heal faster. This actually increases the risk of scarring and infection. Lastly, the idea that more expensive skincare products are always better. It's about the ingredients, not the price tag. Always remember, skincare is unique to everyone. What works for one might not work for another. And there you have it. These are my tried and true home remedies for achieving clear, glowing skin. Remember, it's all about simplicity and consistency. A few natural ingredients from your kitchen can work wonders when used regularly. Debunking skincare myths has hopefully cleared up some misconceptions, and remember, your journey to clear skin is unique to you. Give these remedies a try, and don't forget to share your experiences or any questions in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay glowing.